Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a 5-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this resort like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the resort and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.1, which is the very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, including information about the cuisine, ambience, open for and dietary options. Category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, red light, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Category seventh. Room category eighth. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good and guests really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show several offers are available online for this hotel and various plans and policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this